Hi, my name is Amy Powell. I am a Bachelor of Creative Industry student majoring in Entertainment with a minor of Interior Design. My topic for Assignment 1 was exploring the psychological effects of colour in fast food. There were two main fields that I narrowed it down to for Assignment 2. These were the warm, appetising colours, red and yellow, and the cool colours that when associated with food are off-putting, which are blue and green. In my research for Assignment 1, I discovered that blue is an extreme appetite suppressant to the point that it's used as a weight loss technique. The reason the colour is so off-putting is because it's used as a medical colour. So it has that relation, and it's also a very unnatural colour to find in foods aside from blueberries. So after a bit of thinking, I decided I would create an oversized illuminated blue hamburger. I thought that I could probably take this idea a little further though, so I looked into the influences of taste and the contributing senses such as sight and scent. This led me to my final piece, which represents a tongue with all of the contributing senses. I experimented with a wax medium, and although this was really pretty looking structure, the multi-texture look that I was going for just lost. This is what my experiment with the wax looked like. After my experimentation with wax, I tried out white tissue paper, which I was going to dye blue, with an oblong shape. I thought this would look more like a tongue, but it ended up looking a bit weird and sort of like a lampshade, as this video shows. So I used a combination of paper mache using tissue paper and this little intricate lace design to represent the different senses that contribute to taste. Here are some pictures of my construction details. This was the process used to create the structure. I think that my design is really intriguing, and if it was about 10 times the size it is, it would be really cool to have installed in a public space. It would raise a lot of discussion about it, and everyone would have their own ideas and opinions as to what it's representing. Along with being aesthetically pleasing, my design will be informative and educational about the social issue of obesity and hopefully discourage people from falling into the trap of consuming fast food. Here are a few short clips of my design installed in the black environment, which really shows off all the details. Relating back to Assignment 1, which uncovered the use of blue light in fridges of people attempting to lose weight. The blue light made all foods look unappealing and therefore suppressing appetites. The tongue is a sort of revolting representation of the taste of fast food. And although the pictures may look very nice and the smell is enticing, it isn't a good thing to eat. So the different contributing factors of the taste are symbolised on the tongue by the different textures and patterns. One of the main resources that I used as inspiration is a website called Colour Matters. It has some really interesting images that support the argument that blue is such an off-putting colour in food. I also researched a few installation artworks involving tongues, which are all quite disgusting. I found an artist called Urs Fischer who has a really realistic looking installation with a tongue that I used as inspiration also. Thank you for your time. I will leave you with one more video of the installed piece.